Next is length statement. By default, we can read 8 length of the character variable. Okay. It works only for the character variable. Some statement works only for the numeric variable. Length statement is used for the character variable. Works only for the character variable. So when character variable value is more than 8 bytes or exceeds 8 bytes, then we will use this length statement. Okay, we have to specify before the input statement. Okay, so in the syntax you can see length statement is before the input statement. Okay, one drawback is there that we can't display our variables in creation order. For that we use retain statement. In code I'll explain you the drawback. Okay, length doesn't support when values are separated by space. In the SAS software I'll explain you this. Length doesn't support when values are separated by space. Okay, so this is the syntax. Okay, next is retain statement. Is nothing but to change the variable creation order, we will use this retain statement. Okay, specifies before the length statement, and $sign we will not use in that. Okay, so retain var1, var2, var3 semicolon. In this way also you can do. Otherwise I want variable 2 as first order. Okay, my first I want to print first variable 2, then variable 1, then variable 3. Then you can do. Okay, you can change the orders. There is no issue in that. Okay, this is about the retain statement. Okay, so when we will use length statement, I'll discuss here. Okay, so first I'm writing my data and my data set name as dm semicolon. After that I'm giving my input as a name $sign. Why will I give this $sign? Because it is a character variable. For that purpose I'm giving $sign. Age semicolon. Age is a numeric variable, so no need to give $sign. Clear? For numbers we will not give $sign. For variables we will give $sign in the input statement. And next, cards. Okay, after that I am giving Ravi Verma and his age is 45, and Rajkumar whose age is 56, and semicolon, then run semicolon. I am giving proc step, proc print data equal to dm semicolon, then run semicolon. Clear? So till now we have given name as a single name like that, Ravi, yes, Sama, like that I have given. But few people name will be big, you know, Rajkumar Verma, yes, Manotra Singh, like that we have names, big names. So you can see here how many bytes we have here. So you can count here. Total how many? 9. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 bytes. And I am giving here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bytes. So now I'll run this. Okay, after running that, it is not showing Verma. A it's not showing here, and Kumar, Rajkumar, it's fine. 8 bytes. Okay, but after the 8 bytes we can't see here. See, this one also you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it will accept only 8 bytes. It's clear? It will accept only 8 bytes. I want Verma A also. No, it is incomplete without a complete name. Yes, it's incomplete. So for that purpose I'll use length before the input statement. Before the input statement I'll use length. And syntax is, yes, variable dollar. What is my syntax for length? Length variable dollar, and I'll give the length, particular length. Okay, so here my variable is name dollar, right? So I'm writing here name dollar. After that I'm giving length. So this is totally 9. So you can give average length. Okay, for the safe side. Okay, I'm giving here 10. Okay, give the space here, then semicolon. Okay, so now I'll run. It will display or not, we will see. As Ravi Verma, A is displaying, yes. So one more big name I'll add here, Raj Kumar Verma. Okay, and his age is 67. Now I'll run. Will it display? Raj Kumar is there, VA is there. Okay, where is RMA? We can't see. So for that, we have to give an average length. Okay, so you can count here 10 I have given for safe side for this, but here big name, so 10, 11, 12, 13 letters are there here. For that purpose, I'll give average number 15, otherwise you can give 20, otherwise you can give 25. Okay, so line size is for what? Line size is for variables, right? What is the line size? The maximum line size 256. You can give till 256 bytes. Okay, so now I'm running. So you can see now Raj Kumar Verma 67 clearly. Okay, so I have given 15 bytes totally. So till here, how many things? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, like that. And one space will be there, like that. Okay, clear? So when you have large observations, okay, when you have plenty of observations at that time, so you can give maximum yes, suppose, see, this is my name, so and so name. Okay, I can't count, no? Yes, this is my maximum name and I can't count it, right? So we can't count at that time. You can see when I'm keeping my cursor here, you can see 27, column 27. Is it clear? Down, right side. Yes, I'm keeping my cursor here, J, and you can see that column 27. So you can give maximum 35 length. Okay, yes, you can give average length 35. So now I'm running. So you can see till J it is printing. Yes, clear? This one is also clear. Yes, when you have a large data, okay, when you have a large data and at that time you're unable to count. Small names means you can count it, but for the big names you have to keep the cursor and you can see 27. Okay, so maximum average length you can keep as for the safe side, you can keep 35, like that. This length statement is used only for the character variable. Okay, so this length statement only useful for the character variable, and I should give the how much length, average length can I give? This is column 14 here. You can see my cursor here, down, right side down. So column 14 it is displaying, clear? So I can give maximum 20. Yes sir, average length 20. So you can see now Verma, clear? So when my character variable values is more than 8 bytes, then I'll use this length statement. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now test is my dataset name. I have created one more dataset. In this I have given how many variables? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 variables I have given. ID as this one. Yes, name. Okay, you can see the names here, and age, designation, and salary and location. So for this, can I use length statement or no need? Yes, we need to use length statement because you can see more than 8 bytes. This yes, because my character variable values is more than 8 bytes, means exceeds 8 bytes. It is exceeding 8 bytes. So only in name I should give length, or this designation or location also, for that we need to give length statement. See, in designation you can see this, right? So it is exceeding more than 8 bytes, right? So character variable values exceeds 8 bytes, so designation also we need to give length. For location, do we need to give length? So you can count here how many letters we have: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So for that purpose also we need to give length. So there I should use length before the input statement. Before input statement we'll write length. Okay, can we write these three variables in one length statement? Yes, by giving space. Okay, so name dollar, I'm giving my average length 20. Okay, next designation dollar, and I'm giving my length as 25, and location dollar, I'm giving length as 15. Okay, semicolon. So I'll run this. Before running, I want you to give an answer that if I run this, okay, if I'm running this, do I get these? This is my order, right? I want first my variable to display ID, name, age, designation, salary, location. But when I run this code, will it display in order or it will follow the length statement order? We will see. Okay, so I'm running this. So after running that, it is displaying name. I want my first variable, first column to be ID, but it's displaying name. Okay, so it is following length statement orders only. In the length statement, what we have given, name, designation, location, it is displaying that only. Clear? So it is following the length statement variables order only. It is not following this input statement orders. So for that purpose, one statement is there, that is retain statement. Retain we will write before the length. So I want first variable ID only. So I'll copy this order, okay, and I'm pasting here. So here we will not use $sign in the retain statement. This is clear, no? We will not use $sign in the retain statement, okay? I am running the code. You can see my input variable order only, it is displaying. So by using the retain statement, we can change the variable creation order, okay? To change the order, we will use retain statement. Okay, when we use length statement, retain statement we will write because order wise we need to print the variables. For that purpose we'll use retain statement. Clear? Suppose I want name. Okay, in my input this is the order. I want my name to be print first, then ID. It is possible or not, we will see. I'm running this. So you can see here name, ID. So we can change the order also. Okay, as per our requirement we can change the order. You may have one doubt that why ma'am you are not giving space after Ravi. Okay, yes, a person name have spaces right in between. So Raj space Kumar, like that. Okay, I'm giving now. Okay, so I'm running this. Will it print? Okay, will it print or not? We will see with the spaces. You can't see here. See what it is showing? Okay, we will check in log window that any errors are there. Errors will display in red color, but we can't see here. So something it is saying Ravi space Verma means error is equals to 1, null is equals to 1, it is saying. So when we have spaces, okay, when the name is separated by a space, we will not use the length statement. Clear? Okay, I am saying again, whenever values are separated by spaces, length won't work. Clear, no? So that's why I'm not giving spaces here. So then which statement we'll use, you'll have one question. So I'll explain you that one also, don't worry. First of all, just concentrate what I'm saying, just practice that, okay, which will be helpful for you. So you got it, no? Why I am not using the spaces after Ravi space Varma. So length will not support when we have spaces in between, okay. It will print till Ravi only, okay. I am giving space, no, it will print till Ravi, okay, and after the space it will not print. Clear?